thank the ministry for all the good work that we've been doing and to assure us of their support in most of the reforms that we are trying to bring to the Ghana Immigration Service. They reiterated the issue of our porous borders and the infrastructure need of the service. They acknowledge in this 1 year some of the great things that we've started doing, including the 7 regional offices that are simultaneously being built, the work that we are doing on the...
And the good work now, Mutaka, interior minister, come one seven. Meaning good work across. Or Ghana Immigration Service number to say 1 month or man shama young family in being Rahama Kontokwa or 1 year in office. And I say, good work they say, be bodano, ama foreigners, a room, a be Niger ho, and Chanho baby, for bush do Ghana. Uruto borders no so a chehodi and so udruwa na immigration vaje kakra no mo room yen check yen hwe miami witness bi I mo video nti omu sam the video ba kire mo me ko ho uwura mu a abusua ehwe Ghana card na adu 2020 no wawura mu na woko eno na wobo mabaso anase Nigeria fu begu Ghana ha be diegu a omu na fa border no so allegedly say order from above eno mu ja omu mo hwe omu Ghana yi video de kire no se muntaka interior minister ontu ho na mo no abusua eno na order ho ase ya na ase good work de he mo interior minister no abekasa boame na video ye nhye boame na twere comment for do video ya ase mpenifo no wo mbehu o se niema ekwachi wo kromu hana na immigration for nsa so no ye alert no na ohu eno nti ena mafa akonya we so edi video we edi brew anka me nka immigration for no asem omo anya de omo pe o borders no so efise omo ne de asho mo nsa me ka immigration so ana me ka omo a omo de omo adwen se omo gi tefa amobi ewurom efise immigration ni papa ho sa so ne o bone ewum akufo ne kodi fa ene fomo emfantifo sanete abuzua aha je media omo de subscribe channel like de buso kunu ngonya kakraka yenko tie ye interior minister ensem a woka na immigration for yi omusu no omo ban omo de ne di wo Ghana ha no nyoni na enka nkire no ebia na ohu ye ene ye bo moden ayi videos na ne ye hwie nipa edi gu eho no ye de ma no ono ane nu asem no ekoso no na me yi videos no nso etwaguo de ma no ne ye wi ebisa ne se we yi na ye good work no anase de he ana migration for de he ena odo mo ase ebia na South Sudan, Congo, Kenya, Uganda, a hopeful no domasi, and you're gonna afford it.
Even though it's stored, and I told them why it's stored, and I'm assuring them that this year we are very grateful that we are hopeful that it will come back to fruition. And about the border control and the challenges, we told them what we are also doing, trying to get a system that is fully owned by us, and that is able to help us track not only at the legitimate crossing point, but even the illegitimate crossing point. And the issue of their established posts came, which is a very key thing for many officers. And I said that, yes, if we were to continue the way probably others have done, yes, we can end up pleasing people who are seen or aligned to us, but we'll end up messing the whole service. So it requires a lot of sacrifice. Because I couldn't fathom why a service like Ghana Immigration Service should have more deputy commissioners than even police. That is much bigger than, because we have about almost 50,000 police men and women officers. The immigration is less than 20,000. They are just about 18,000 plus. Yet they have this kind of top heavy. And also reminded them that, yes, I know the council is under enormous pressure because those who are assistant commissioners, in April, based on the information I have, about 39 of them will be due to be promoted. But the regulation is very clear. You can only be promoted if the vacancy is available. And now we have this heavy top. So I also challenge the council to come up with how do we create a system that is fair and equitable. So even if people are not promoted, what system can we develop that will create the kind of fairness? What do we do with even the law? So that tomorrow you don't come to the charter, you are spending all the time to clean it up. Then with a greater respect, another time another person comes to mess it up. What do we do to safeguard that? So that the sacrifice that people will be making will not go in vain. So this among other things that we discussed. And I'm also grateful for the council to have taken time out of their busy schedule to come to interact with me and let me know some of the things that they are doing. Very important for me.
And we need someone, yeah, Papa, Muntaka, at the Beto, Ghana for any Babusia, and the Yano for video, no sooner, and my modern Abobi at the channel. Any pa, a woo, or my name, complaints are a coso. Say ye shiny pa, Eddie who Ghana Montinso, Ghana Monti, a ye choked. They hear a bino. Say, oh, make can be and fanchray, na foreign minister. Sorry, foreign minister and interior minister. Or more on a side way. So, Eba Mutaka, see a ban won't call for now from immigration for any big man out of Muyajuan and the order Massina. When ye be in Yabina, why you need as immigration for no? Almost don't win. Boma hopeful room, Ekoba. I could ever tell Ghana from Tukudi in two. Where Nigeria ni Igbo ni. Also a IPOB member, Biafra ni, or support violence, of support war. Na obi timi fili krom betru bi kru so esa aka che ni krom fo so no support violence for to war nti ye kotwi akobrema yi no support a etiamra na se entiamra yeti krom ha akwa we ye fo ntwukudi ya ye kana asem ya Mutaka ani die kwanso ntire minister honorable akwa we akofa ne nkrofo abegu Ghana hanim se obo ye footballers obo bo acho no more proper documents no more Ghana hanana. Allegedly, they say a BBF an order from above. Bass me and set me be Ghana one day. La she nipa e de omagu hono. E papa bacho e him for adwuma ene masanko for the buy. Omo fa border ben. O border se odo ma see. Offices se odo ma see. E him for they allow this foreigners omagu ha. Minya call from Takwa of Fremen was say, yeah, Papa prove a more prove. And Crawford be good Takwa more than 70 foreigners who I know Bopom or Bomadi Popin or Monobisa say. Anya Biano, more him for a one bacono, 18 bacono catch it. Yes, I say, Kwan Kalkroom yede, Obufisu Ancheno. Anna Brantian no yarakra or born home one day. And no queen police ni asutri say. A big really put you go, ma'am, on Montans or Tapa. This is say Ghana, Kruma, you foreigners a kunkro for Nigerians a kunkro for in Timonko, Namonko Shes and Crofui, and no Monkas and Muso baby, no free, and the Ombeno Krumha, Nasampa or more documents such as meeting that no Krumha. As some police fully, a catcher, a brantiano, or Mamma Pano, citizen patriotic, no, as some police in the catcher and say, we and no Mojuma. Immigration for juma into one immigration officers no onko bo mama ne no munko di hujuma abrantie no so any immigration ni bia abrantie no immigration office bia o ana o friend o ka chem say immigration bi o takwa na immigration for na me reach omo na takwa yenko hwe de esi e wo hono ya papa Mutakai interior minister adia wo immigration for ni bi age tefa no so we see enche o mani bi na mo fix ya this year yesim na January afini ye count kono yesrew mo si mo be promotion fixing promotion ho ahwan crisis na mo ya wo promote a hwe no promote kronfo wudi ni tutubotum ni mambofo se se mo angasa mo politicians ni bi a mo se o man yesrew promotion abe no chiwe ni mo sei this time around no borders no so ye hia asojafo honom omko ka ho na ene ye kwabra na ye onu be wuro mu no ye fora na no beto asojafo be 10 e ka ho na 5 bi ka ho a no abraba asojafo ni nyina 5 cities no immigration ni so 10 cities say immigration from 20 but Togo border so 20 Ghana obi a witness bi antwe no comment section 20 Ghana and then lady lady ndi no what TikTok lady isha what ye bra pe next na TikTok live so GH League or YouTube ko subscribe man next na or TikTok abusia ono so confirm e home put me free 20 cedis the route na me find na the chair wo have the videos with the manners course last month e ko hono which is December me ko Togo enti ya papa yesrew 2020 no mo jo hono wo di so je foko ka mo ho a na obi twa so gini wo hwe no na obi twa hwe so gini uniform 20 Ghana IGP tetu hunu no a hu achi obi gina ho say a friend say Ghana police any bribe there omo te say ha no kosuma kaya e de say Ghana ni Israel e mutin Ghana police ase no worker no ra bete Prague mu ko baabi Prague bi bo me yawo mentre fo bia metre mu ko baabi police no Abreport Junction police ni hwemenim Abreport Junction haya state boys se sen fa school no na Prague nduru one way jano family am na me nkono so osi mi kura ba se ja on komba matunso gina ho o kwa besezie no ono so wo night a wo ye night ma de achi no police ni ba ne ka oba krampo ka che ne se de bi on fama no nko no se busa mi nwa be ma na me boa ye kasa mfama mo mfama ye me sa onkra license ye kasa mo mfama bo ye obeye sa na ya che no office ne office afi no de envelope na eba tiu and the 10 cities no ni pani ni license to wetin the motor na ko obi ni wadwane wetin the motor na ko dibone oni license number plate mpo an check no hu se motor wi na betwa mu sisi ya no omo mfa nya hwe camera mo gina sei na akoro konkura camera ekura so mpo enya adwuma ana boy ni say if man na boy ni 10 cities no de man to power nti mi na me te Prague ni no ye baji bi efim ho ka say police na agi o police ni je kakra nti o so de bi ka ho nti se o charge 50 Ghana also the 10 cities can 60 Ghana because police na agi nti o no be 5 no so 5 because when a man ko fa ho no because e bia na the drop in kwan dey and that side ho Ghana police emra adaw si ye report to hu na be gina ho say Ghana police ne bribe dey se di bribe Ghana police na bribe Ghana police ha Ghana police will disgrace you ye papa to you ne be kan he ohu media no so me bo a me de bebre what o de me de me mo video bia biem si the politicians ne kasa me me ka media tell the comment section ho no so be hwe ye ba mu takase di ekoso ohu ye mfa nkire no problems na ye face no ohu ye no e was immigration we nsem ye mfa nkire no o mo jai body na to ho ade wo bi atim wem bi ohu ne hwekwa atado ye kan fulani fo na Niger ne Mali fo Burkina fo be bukuru ha fo nyina bukuru ha no mo se wo man no pollution pavement ni so nyina ya sresre pavement ni so nyina de ya besa na bokona mo samo de se sanko bi na o ma de dada so filthy na manfo tie no fra mutaka papa na wa hemfa yesel so wanga so be cancer fa immigration borders ho dia ene 1 year sa abaso body ade bo mo eye bogos abaso body o bo abaso so motima age bribe ama hokwa be wura ha na se o bo abaso se o ma age bribe man krofa be wura ha abe kum Ghana fo yankonu ngwa ankohwe ene nansen akire ha ya yekum oba bi dinato gatem sa ena hye sa kama beto gatem before then na kaswa yakuma mi bi abane nam hwe da ho sei kaswa that's last week asema make on sa last week na ewudi esi no hwen krofo ya chi wo mo si wo mo bo o di cyber security ya intelligence mo hwan ma police fa kwa chi wo mo ayesi be deport sa afọ na se ejeri wo mo no sa afọ ni nyina no o mo he nansi ya chi krofo bi a na o mo so mo twa fake note no dollars yakatakata wo no papa mutakei interior minister di entin yakata wo nim abanipa ne ye criminal ochina ona ma bontin onyeni ti di na say police fa na nyomodweme no mu jana yetime hu se akwa no ona ma bontin ti mo san kwache no na hu se ampa you are working for the government you are working for the nation o ye ejuma pa ma o man Ghana because o man Ghana ntim bae hwe 24 yesi ye kan fu de ne kan fu achacha hwe yesi asema densi no twebidi ya danse shebre eni nkaso sa na brenso eni nkosi ewie na tennis permanent na India mi nim se ono de obewu e wona konya so India mi no nim se na konya ote obewu wo so enso ni ami e ko wutu Saudi Arabia ontima anwu antuni krom Uganda le kromo say you for say Uganda on good the krom Uganda we anwu antu wo omo aso adamfo eno yi na so akonya no tena so ndam no kwa ka ho wi asena damfo no Senegal se den ne se okoye India mi petena bia so okọ Senegal na Niger e pamo no ankosi aga Morocco ankosi aga we ne ball ho ba kakra e akwa we de we Gaddafi Libya na e kaka na Saudi Arabia be ne second coup attempt amfa Osan ko bi anye no na fi de Morocco president san pa choma na okotena ho afi de final 2003 so den no ko wuye no ni so beta na konwa so awu nti bre ni nkaso ti de moye no srem wonye ni yi na sede be ya amachi empumudi a no bi apete ni mo say this person there I salute sir ko sunkrofo abeye adwuma ni bi asori hokọ say yenyai mani na mmom ni twable ndo a bedu ye atwa no kore na so si yegya ye hwahan Nigeria fo ne foreigners be gukum ha kum ye nkrofo a by the 4 years ne be so am be free abam 8 years na be free abam na niema bebre na asai wo man mu ne ye fix ya enye yi si bebre ya se odin akoduru ntimi nsa odin koduru wono nti munye ne ye ne monam nti bible so ye ne ya ka woni mteye o mana ya manfrafo ana yakan sabi kasa hunu bi ya de hokho na chechere man na hokho no di se nkosesem jimi e de kire yen nti ohene all part ni mpesua so na hokho kum ne manfo wa keep mute because of physical kaka de abre no ya de atom pesua no so immigration for one year juma pa ye promotion ye baba so oje say interior minister ebo mabaso woni age kokoti yo wonhira afri urade enananom ho enti se wo ye ya obenya nhira wanye ne ye ya no me no hawo ne asasabo ene beba wo so enna police ni Jesus kan free praga driver na asma praga driver na kan se police ejuma de se ya no kan se aji because o moja we no ahwan me kan se video just hwan we mo ni se yesika na omodi atwa money na omode omupre ni is AC9 ti asema ono kwa praga driver onpo waka obi mo tatisi na ti modi we ni ye omode jijin drivers ne hono e atwa money na ohwe interior minister wo se de anya ne yema ohu ti yema ohu ne ma hwefo wagye me media me so obi aba kyerɛ comment hwɛ tintintin ze no book no fogu asef mame interior minister ne sabe kama na hwɛ because ye ko so media nso nya wo hu wo mo hwɛ pa wo mu hu de ekɔ ye chinipa ne ye jano ye chinipa ye ntin ho asem pie na Ghana ni bo no ye patriotic no ye tin memo otwa tax no ye chine ne ye de ne kokoto a ne sum ne tikwate ze ye sum ka ye yina nim no bi atwa bi foreigner ye keep no etipimu na very dark man be ka kire Ghana for say ye de ye sare ye say yahoo ni scam am no mo ye nanso ye de fraud money na kire ye kuro no mo no finance ye kese enti nche no man sa ko no kuro chukwu bi ka kire say we are uncultured etikuru mu ha papa won pina be bo abaso a Nigeria fa be kuro mu ha mu di mo ne kum ye nkrofo bisia a boot for boot. So oman tu omhofo a yesan ba bonti be neso yeso ye kasa ye be kasu sidua so mukubia yeso enfom ho nchom. Enough is enough. Hi Jam Media. Mo de subscribe channel like na ebuso kunungu nya kakraka. Mo fantade wo mo, am fansane sene wo mo. E de be to bi groups ni mu, o mbi hu. Se twa comment tin se sanko bi no. O odu bi a fa studio line so for me. E di am je so na ya. Akacho me say Brennan na inkaso e brebi ba they will regret it e brebi ba o metam akonyo mi sei o metam akonyo mi sei akasa ade wi panen kameti ayu ba manti manye ade wi panen kameti ayu ene mun kubusa akodi a wo president azi ye de oyi the boss edinti onya position na mutum akonyo mu yade na ache na mutum akonyo na mu ye sei makeka ne bra so esinsi pa o na go say me na me fix na man fix you o hwe mo man fa ne bre man fo wuye say india mi ni so be wu na konwa so e wo de krum ko wutu de krum on fa nye afutu do the same say bye bye.
Ghana want to start the war, and as the war is going on in Ghana, we too will follow up in Europe here. We go to fight Ghana anywhere. I see Ghana man now, they go there ready. Ghanaians will be ready because this is a war and it's an international war. It's worldwide war. Let me see how Ghana, that is not up to one state in Nigeria, will challenge the whole Nigeria and win. Ghana, challenge. Ghana is telling Nigerians to leave Africa. Imagine. Imagine, this is the highest insult that Nigeria have received. If we had a president now, if we didn't have this useless man called Tinubu, the best thing to do now is to colonize Ghana. Is to take the Nigeria have more military than all of Ghanaian people, all Ghana people. Nigeria have more military than Ghana. The best thing to do now is to colonize Ghana. Is to colonize Ghana. And we call it part of Nigeria. That's the best thing to do. Imagine Ghana. Ghana is telling Nigeria to go. Well, in short, there is not need of anybody to stress themselves about Ghana. Ghanaians are not people you will take serious. They are just bunch of cowards, poor people, lazy people. They don't want to work. They just sit down and complain. Ghanaians just sit down and complain. They don't want to work. They don't know that for you to become successful, you need to work. They want Nigerians to not to sell retail. Imagine. Ghana is one of the most lazy people in the whole of this world, not only Africa. In the whole of the whole world, Ghanaians are the most laziest people. And this war they started now must come to Europe. We will start to go to them. I know where Ghana people are working in factories, in Igbo man's company. I know where Ghanaians are working. Ghana want to challenge Nigeria. Ghana, not South Africa. Ghana. Imagine Ghana. Some things I don't understand. I don't know what is wrong with some people. As you see me like this, I cannot start something I cannot finish. You see me, the last thing I will start is something I cannot finish. Me personally, I know how many Ghanaian people I'm feeding in Europe. I know how many Ghana people I'm feeding in Europe. Then Ghana is telling Nigeria to go from Ghana. To go from African soil, Ghana.